It's pink.
Oh, it's pink! Oh, this color, I love it so much.
Let's see, guys.
Okay, ready? Ready? You guys ready?
It's yellow. Oh my God!
It's so pretty! I'm bored. I know, right? I like these clothes, but sometimes I just want new clothes. Wait, did you guys say new clothes? Well, you're talking about these, right? Whoa! Whoa, what are these? What are these? These are fashion crushes. Like them? Yeah, I want to do them right now. I want to do them right now. Me too, me too. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling like a outfit change, right, girls? Yeah! Okay, let's see who the first outfit should be for. I want to! Ow. This one belongs to you! Yay, yay, yay!
First.
I already see something. Come on, I really want a new outfit. I'm tired of black. Okay, I'm coming. Oh no. Okay, we have the first layer is the guide. So we have the glam club, the sleepover club, the
Swim club.
and the athletic club.
Alright, second layer. You guys excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. Oh,
There's the
glass. We got the glass. Guys, look, we have like a laundry plastic.
And let's see what we
Basket.
have here.
Did you see anything?
Oh, it says A. A and a cap. So it might be for the athletic.
Okay.
What's this?
Let's open it. Oh, I can't wait any longer. Okay. Woo! Wow! Wow!
Wow, so pretty. Let's see what we have.
We have some shorts. They're really cute.
Love that color. Coral.
Yeah, coral. So really cute. It's covered in slimy.
I think that's gym. I think it's this one, guys. Gym. Athletic club. So we were right.
So we got these little
We have
cute juices.
the athletic. Who should we put the athletic one to? This one! Maybe for her. Isn't it perfect?
Yeah! Hey! But it's mine!
Maybe another one will come up for you. That's better for you. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm not really a sportsy girl.
So we have the two shoes, the shorts, and the gym top. Let's go ahead and put it on her. Okay, guys.
What do you think? I love this outfit. I also love this outfit, but I love this. You see my little cute pom-poms? Yeah!
Wristbands, you mean?
Yeah. Can I go next?
Yes, let's see. I love that OOTD, girl.
Yeah.
Okay, the second outfit. Let's go ahead and see that clue.
Oh, this way.
Oh, it's another athletic one.
Oh.
Let's see.
Oh, we got another,
Purple.
yeah, it looks like, I was just about to say green. I don't know. And this is the,
Oh, I was about to say, is it the same exact thing? No,
I
it's
know.
not. It's different. Okay, let's see which one it is. It looks similar to the other one that
Yeah,
She was
I know.
wearing
I'm like,
Baby.
what?
I know her name was Baby. Let's see. It is the baby. Oh, this one is for Baby.
Aww.
That one was supposed to be for you, Baby. Give that back to her. Oh, I want it. I want it. I want it. Oh, what are you doing there? Get up.
I just really want to go. Do you like athletic?
I would like to see her in athletic clothes. Let's go ahead and put it on her.
Okay. Look, I took off her clothes and she has like a sports bra and like some pants. You're supposed to work out. But Baby wouldn't give me this. I don't want to, no.
This is my clothes. This is my clothes. What do you guys think? Does it fit her?
No, I don't know. I kind of like it. It's pretty good for Baby, but Baby, can you please give me back my clothes? No. Oh, fine.
Let's go to the next one. I wonder who it's for.
Me. It's for me.
Okay. Let's see the clue.
Where's
I see A again.
you do?
It's another athletic one.
Oh, it's athletic again.
I hope we don't get a double.
Yeah,
It's pink.
oh, it's pink! Oh, this color, I love it so much.
See you guys.
Okay, ready? Ready? You guys ready?
It's yellow. Oh my god!
It's so pretty!
Which one is that one? Let me see.
What color?
The LOL one.
So,
No, it's not.
sorry. So, oh,
That
right
one is the
here.
glam.
It's the glam
So we got the
club.
wrong clue. It said A.
Here, let's
Hold on
look
a
again. Let's look it again.
I think all of them says A.
Oh,
I don't know.
because it's like, this is the glam color.
That's perfect for her. I
Yeah.
love it.
I love it so much! Are you okay?
Oh my gosh, what a fail.
Aww. Wait, what's this?
A bib?
Oh, I think it's for her. Or her.
Let's try it on. Let's try it on.
Okay.
Oh, you look amazing.
Yeah, I'm walking through the runway. Walking through the runway.
You look gorgeous, girl.
I love it.
You look beautiful. Step into the spotlight. Ooh, choo, choo, choo. Lovely. And we have the best for last.
The blue one! Okay, let's see.
This is for
You! Wait. I got one too! Oh my gosh, thank you guys! Yeah,
You're awesome. We love you so much.
Aw.
Let's see what it is.
Let's see again.
Because I don't know if I keep seeing A's or not. So I please help out. Wait, I want to see.
Okay.
I have no idea what's going on here. Okay, let's go.
It looks,
This is pretty messy, guys.
yeah, oh.
If you like to get messy,
Oh, I
go
can't
for
even,
it.
I can't even open it. There we go. I think I can, like. It's a dark purple. Right? Or is it like the same thing?
Let's see.
Whoa, we got like the sleepover club!
Yay! Well, here I am, guys. What do you think? I'm ready for my nap. Woo! It's been a great night. It's been a great evening. I'm so happy you guys were here to do this outfit OOTD changes. And I love each and everyone's outfit.
So, will everybody do it with me? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also comment. Bye!